guys, this is going to be a firearm tour at Walmart. I know they have Spectralert Advance ceiling mount horn strobes all over the store. Even though, alright, there's the Spectralert Advance up there. That little red thing over there, that's the Spectralert Advance.
Cool camera, dude.
Thanks. Here we have a security camera. Then a Spectralert Advance. There's a Spectralert Advance up there. That little red thing, that's an Advance. Oh, there's another Advance. Right there. There's another Advance right down there. I'm not sure if you can see that. Now, if you're looking for where the extinguishers are, they're all marked by the red tape with the arrow at the top of the pole. There's another one at the top of the pole. I don't know if you can see it. And then there is another Advance. Another Advance is right up there. If my camera will focus. Yeah, there's another Advance. Now I might show you a pull station. Emergency door. There's one. Yeah, there's a line of Advances right there. And then there's another Advance. There's another line of Advances. Then let's go to the grocery section.
Hello, how y'all doing?
Yeah, there's an Advance right there. Then in the grocery section, very cool grocery section. There's another Advance, some type of green strobe alarm, probably for the burglar system. Alright, there are some hanging hooks right there. And a little face made of those Pepsi boxes. Anyway, with that being said, oh yeah, there's an Advance right up there in that rafter. Oh, hey. Wait, I thought I heard that intercom going off. Yeah, there's that line of Advances. Yeah, there's an Advance up there. That little red thing you saw, that was a Spectralert Advance. Alright, there's another Advance. Yeah, there's another Advance. Yeah, there's another Advance. No, there's something strange. There's some string thing hanging from that Advance. But I have not spotted any. Oh yeah, there's an Advance back there in that restricted area. And there is this frozen cake.
Hey, Chrissy.
And there's another Advance up there. Another Advance. And there's the security camera on that rafter. And then there's another Advance. And then there's another Advance. Wait, what's that? Wait, what is that? I don't know if that was an alarm bell. Hopper. There's another Advance, and this will be it for today, guys. Bye.